He's slowed down, but his slowing down is to 60.
King Harris, T.I. son
Yeah,
being
I am
arrested.
doing 61 on a 45, and I'm not gaining on it. He's also all over the road. Jesus. Hi, good evening. My name is Officer Lopez of the Gwinnett County Police Department. The reason I'm pulling you over is you're doing over 70 miles an hour in a 45.
I didn't know.
You didn't know?
No.
I got you. You got your driver's license on you?
Not really.
All right. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
No.
Okay. Do you have a photo or anything like that of your driver's license?
Yeah.
All right, got you. All right. So, do you mind stepping out and we're going to talk right here real quick, back here?
About what?
You can step out of the vehicle.
Step out for what?
So there's a firearm in this vehicle. You're already speeding. You don't have anything on you. I'm separating you from the firearm.
Right there.
All right. Are you going to get out of the car or not?
I don't. Tell me why.
I already told you what.
You didn't
Pennsylvania
tell me
versus
why.
Mims. Are you getting out or not? Supreme Court case law. Are you getting out or not?
I don't know what it is.
All right. You need to get out of the car.
You're not telling me
If
why.
you do not get out of the car, you'll be arrested for obstruction.
You're going to arrest me for obstruction?
Yes, if you do not get out of the car.
I don't know why. I don't feel safe.
All right. If you do not get out of the car, you will be arrested for
I don't
obstruction.
feel safe.
If you do not get out of the car, you'll be arrested for
You're not
obstruction.
telling me a valid reason why I need
That's
to get out
a
of the car.
perfectly valid reason. Like, Google it if you want to. It's not going to end well for you.
Let me call my lawyer, man.
You have that right, but you're not even under arrest right now. You're still just detained.
Stay in my car.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Get out of the car.
Hey, Quinn. So I'm pulled over right now, and they telling me I got to get out the car for what reason?
Because we're going to have a conversation back at the back of the
They
car.
want to have a conversation.
You need to get out of the
with me in
car.
back.
Doesn't matter
I'm
why.
not doing it. I'm not getting out the car because you want to have a... No, I'm not getting out the car.
Okay.
All right. So now
At this time, you are under arrest. You are not free to leave.
Yeah,
You are under arrest.
I'm not under arrest.
You are under
Yeah.
arrest. I'm informing you that you are under arrest.
I'm under arrest for
And-
what? Yes. Hold on, my lawyer calling.
I thought that was your lawyer you was talking to.
Hey, so a police officer is right here telling me I have to step out my car.
So that wasn't
And I'm
your
telling
lawyer
him I don't
talking
want to
first?
step out my car. He's telling me to step out the car to have a
I've already told you you're under arrest. You're under
Yeah.
arrest at this
And
point.
he's trying to tell me since I didn't want to step out the car, I'm under arrest. Bruh, I'm under arrest.
Yes. That's how it works.
But you are under arrest at this point. All right? So you need to get out of your car right now.
Okay. All right.
All right.
So this make y'all feel tough.
Not the slightest. All it does is give me some paperwork.
All right.
All you have to do is get out of the car.
File your paperwork. You want me to get out my car to talk to me about what? There's nothing to talk about.
This is not your car. You're absolutely flying down the road at 70 miles an hour in a 45. There's
Never had a police tell me to step out the car to ask simple questions.
Well, we got to
there's
step
a
out the car and
firearm
go to
within
jail
like
for
2
speeding.
feet of both of our faces.
Reckless.
Yeah, I'm gonna have
It's
you
in
step out
front
of
of
the car.
you. It's in front of you.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Well, not just that, you have an open THC container in the center console.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Open THC
All right,
container.
who do you want to pick up the car and the gun? I gotta be here in 30 minutes or less.
What happened at home with y'all? What y'all so upset
All
about?
right, who are we calling? Okay, we are over at 7050 Jimmy Carter
And tell them American Deli.
Do you know about
American
how
Deli.
to get over here?
American Deli.
There's a lot of them.
American Deli.
7050
American Deli.
7050
All
Jimmy
right.
Carter
Now hang my phone up and lock my phone.
All right.
Hang my
All right,
phone
about
up
how
and
long
lock
will
my
it be for you
shit.
to get here?
Hang it up and lock it.
This nigga in custody and still talking.
Hang it up and lock
See you
it.
there.
Hang it up and lock it.
I done took that shit and threw it in the fucking river, nigga.
All right, now let
I
go.
think you're talking to me.
Yes, sir. Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, my son detained.
Yes, sir. He's currently under arrest for obstruction,
Okay.
as well as a variety of other traffic charges.
Right.
Yeah,
You wanna
he
take
was
your
caught
ass
going
with you?
70 in a 45. He was instructed to step out of the vehicle because there was a firearm on the dashboard, and we wanted to separate him from that, and he refused.
Did he express his fear for safety?
It don't matter.
We
The
have,
police told him to get out the
we gotta be
fucking
safe
car.
too. He's right there with John. All right.
Understood.
So with the police, you're supposed to be safe.
Okay. So there's absolutely no way to resolve this.
No,
he
no,
was
sir.
told
Your son's
multiple
going to
times that he was
jail.
out of the vehicle.
T.I.
He
No way to
was
resolve
told that,
it.
according to Supreme Court case law, he is required to exit a vehicle when he is requested to do so by a law enforcement officer. Pennsylvania versus Mims, he stated that, he doesn't have to, he doesn't want to. He was informed that he was under arrest at this time. He was still continuing to refuse to exit the vehicle. It wasn't until his lawyer called him back and said, you need to get out of the car right now. He got out of the car and was placed under arrest. And he's slowed down, but his slowing...
You saw it here first. Truth hurts and bliss should blow. Like, comment, share, subscribe. King Harris, T.I.'s boy arrested for speeding, reckless driving. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when this channel drops new content. If you want to bless this channel, you can bless this channel at Cash App $BISHLO. Until the next one, be good to yourselves, be good to others. Protect and maintain your peace at all costs. I'm gone, y'all. Church.